Alright, so it's Q&A time, and I've got my phone light there because I don't have any other lighting kit, so I'm gonna have to answer these questions off my laptop. I wish you could see how fucking stupid this looks right now. But hey, if it's stupid and it works, it's not stupid. Alright, well the first question I can't actually read here, and I don't know how to translate it, so I don't know. Sorry, I can't really answer that question. Alright, first question here. It's actually a really good one. How to prevent noise with night photography. And so if you don't know what noise is, it's that grainy stuff that you get when you take photos at night with a high shutter speed. And this happens because when people shoot night photography, they obviously want to still get a nice sharp photo. So they put their ISO up, which creates a lot of grain at night. So one way to reduce grain at night would be to lower your ISO and then use a tripod. Is Sony gear cheaper in Japan? No, it actually isn't. Or maybe like a little bit, but I was looking at this store yesterday and no, it's definitely not cheaper. It's the same price. Oh, we got one from Hayden here. Do you miss hanging out with the crew? Yes. Although traveling by myself has been fun and it's a really cool experience. I get to do whatever I want. It's also good to like be around my mates. That's where I get all my inspiration. So yeah, I'm missing you guys. What? Can you give me a shout out? No. Alright, I don't think anyone is ever going to give you a shout out if you ask for them. Shout outs are earned, not asked for. Anyway, next question. From where do you get such songs for your vlog? So I get all my vlog music from Epidemic Sound. Hayden told me about this and it's a really cool site. It's got a lot of different genres of music that you can choose from. So yeah, I get it from Epidemic Sound. Alright, this one's pretty cool. Which was the most awkward food you ate there? Well, I'm still here, but the most awkward food. I haven't really like experimented that much. Like I like to try different types of foods, don't get me wrong, but I've sort of been sticking to like gyoza, which is like the Japanese dumplings. But yeah, I don't know, I haven't really had anything weird. How long have you been taking pictures? I first picked up the camera like the first time, it was about 4 years ago, so I've been taking pictures for 4 years, but properly I'd say around 2 to 3 years, which is when I started my Instagram account. Send me that pic which you like most in Japan. Alright, well I can't send it to you, but I will tell you right now that this one here so far is probably my favorite photo. And it's in this place called Piss Alley. I know, it doesn't sound like an actual name of a place, but it is. It's got a proper name, which I can't pronounce, but we'll call it Piss Alley for now. What made you want to start doing photography? Literally just like, I got given a camera when I was like in year 10 from Santa. I still believed in Santa then. I mean, no, what? When I got my first camera, I just started taking some photos. I liked it, and now here I am. Is it safe to go with your gear? So I think what you're saying is it's safe to go out and shoot with your gear. Like in Japan, yes, Japan is so safe. Like I dropped my wallet in a restaurant and the waitress actually came up and just gave it to me. Please list all the amazing photographic places you are visiting. Well, I've only been in 3 places. I started off in Tokyo, then Kyoto, and then I went to Hakone as well, which you would have seen in the previous vlog. When taking iPhone photos, do you use the default camera app? Yeah, I just use like the normal camera app. I don't use any other fancy app. Just use a normal camera app. But yeah, I would say the key to getting a good iPhone photo would be A, the lighting, make sure there's good lighting, and then also editing. The way you edit your photo is going to make the biggest of differences. What's the best of Japan so far? Best places to shoot and best places to eat. I don't really know all the places that I've been to eat. Like I've just been walking around and saying, whoop, that looks good, that looks good. And just been going in there and I've been fine so far, I haven't died yet. And in terms of the places that I've been so far, the best is probably just Tokyo. It's just insane. It's like any other city you've been to, just on steroids with a lot of lights and neon signs everywhere. Have you felt an earthquake? No, not yet. My photo edit, please. What? Shibuya crossing at day or night? Ooh, this is a hard one. I'd love to shoot it at like sunset when there's all these sort of long shadows, but at night it's really cool as well. I'd probably have to say at night, if it was raining, that would be the ideal weather conditions for Shibuya crossing, I reckon. What lenses you got with you on this trip? Well, I only have 2 lenses, which is a 24-70, which I'm filming on right now, and then my, where is it? My 70-200. This one. How do I get out and take photos more when I'm only 13? Well, this sort of depends on what style of photography you like to do. If you like to do nature photography, you can start off in your backyard. I'll show you this photo here that Hayden took. He took this in his backyard and it's a pretty insane photo. So starting off in your backyard is perfectly fine, just so you can like learn the basics of photography. How's the food, bro? What's up, Toby? The food is just, it's fucking awesome. Like, I love food just generally. And the food here is just so authentic. Yeah, I love it. And the last question here, how does a bullet train compare to a V-line? So we've got like our metro trains here, and we got V-lines like slightly high, can go for longer periods of time. And then you just got the bullet train, which I can't even fit. It is just insane. Like, it's so fast. Sorry, V-line, but I think bullet trains win on this one. But yeah, that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, stay inspired, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one.